Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to unbox my FabFitFun. For those of you who don't know, FabFitFun is a quarterly subscription box, so it comes out 4 times a year. My little guy, my little puppy. It is $49.99, I believe, and I think there's like a $10 off coupon code in the link down below. I'm not affiliated as far as getting paid by them or anything like that, but I love this box. It is pricier, but again, it's quarterly, and even though it's 50 bucks, it's pretty amazing. Look how cute this packaging is for fall. We have like a pumpkin spice latte, people riding their bikes, people curled up with their coffee. Another good thing about FabFitFun is it comes with this nice, like, usually it's a newspaper style, but this is like a magazine style. And this usually has, yeah, a list of all the products you're getting, as well as the products, because sometimes everyone gets certain items, and then there are certain items that it's like you either get this one or this one according to your profile. So I'm super excited. There are a whole bunch of coupons here. There's like a HelloFresh coupon, a Luna Bar coupon. There's the cutest little leaf sticker that I just ripped. Guys, look how cute this box is. Let's see, look how cute. So many things. So I'm gonna get started with this. These are just dish towels, but from what I hear, it's a 2-pack. Okay, but yeah, let me just open one. So it's a set of 2, really pretty, nice, neutral look here with the gray. It's like a waffle weave. Is that what it's called? It's from Simply Whimsical. It's a good size. You can't even like tell the size. Nice and thin. These are really good quality. It's something in this box smells amazing. And it's a pack of 2. I'm out of breath because A, I'm excited, B, I'm pregnant. Rather, A, I'm pregnant, B, I'm excited. I'm like 8 months pregnant, so I'm always out of breath. My baby's currently wedging his feet in my ribs. Beautiful, because I have seasonal dish towels, and I don't know, right now I think I have like a spring one that's still out and even a Christmas one that's still out. I celebrate Christmas all year long. These Simply Whimsical tea towels retail for $14.99. So that's not bad. So here's something. I got a lipstick. It's the Touch and Soul Metalist Liquid Foil Lipstick Duo in Penny. It retails for $24.99. There was an option to get the Pharmacy Do It All Eye Cream, which retails for $38. And then Acuccio Somatology Yoga Detox Bath Salt or something. Yeah. And that's $39.95. So I got the cheapest of the bunch, but everything else I got I know I'm going to love. So let's try this out. So like I said, this is in the color Penny Metalist Liquid Foil Lipstick Duo. Let's see. I've been decluttering a lot, and oh, this is actually interesting. I wish I had a real, oh, I do. I have like a little mirror on the back of my phone. So let's try this out. I think my mom got the same thing. It's kind of nice sometimes when we get different things, because if we don't like it, we could trade it. Let me do a little swatcheroo on my hand there. That's pretty. I'm actually pretty happy with that. And let's see, what is this side? Liquid Foil Lipstick Duo. Okay, so this also has like a sponge tip applicator. There you go. And I'm just gonna swatch it next to it. Ooh. It's like really opaque. It's right there. And then if I put it over, yeah, it frosts it up a bit. Maybe I'll kind of throw it on in the center there. All right, I actually like that. I'm going to use the tissue to take some of this off. I'm really excited because typically when I get makeup in here, I'm not so excited about it because I have so much makeup. Really, that's why. Okay, we also have this guy, which is Blue and Capri Shower Gel from Skin & Co. Roma. I wasn't too excited to get this either, but I think everyone got this. Yeah, everyone did get this. This retails for $22. This is actually, I mean, I would never spend $22 on shower gel, But it's a multi-purpose shower gel, lemon farmers in Capri, Italy, scented with wild sage, lemon, and alpine rose. It's sealed, so I can't really smell it, but it's something I'll definitely use. I'll put this in my shower. I do like getting things that I will actually use, so that's nice. I probably wouldn't buy a random product like this. By random, I mean brand. Like, it's not a popular brand to me, for $25. So between this $25 and this $22, you basically paid for the box. But it's nice to try new things because I do actually like this lip product. So that's really cool. We also got a Luna bar. Everyone got this. This retails, it's not even a price. Oh, this is like a bonus item. This is like sponsored. This box is sponsored by Luna. So I got cashew butter filled with fruit and nut bar. Sounds healthy. Salted caramel nut. Actually, that sounds really good. I will bring this to work tomorrow, so that's good. I always have the munchies, so. Let's see. Stuff. I should have done it by like order of what everyone is getting. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up what everyone else is getting. There's some Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Oxygenating Deep Cleanse Mask. It is a 2-pack. This retails for $18. And you put it onto your damp skin, you leave it on for 3 minutes, and once removed, massage the remaining bubbles and rinse. But I do love masking, and I do love funky things like this. So that's kind of exciting to try. I love skincare. I love, love, love skincare. So I'll definitely use that. I'm separating my trash from everything else. So everyone got the tea towels, the shower gel. That's good to know that everyone got the shower gel. It's not like I missed out on something else. The Luna bar for free, the 2 Glam Glow masks, and everyone got a beauty blender. I'm not psyched I got the light pink one just because it's really going to show how dirty it is. But it's a full size. So super excited. And this retails for $20. Now, the next item, I'll save that for last actually. I was super excited to get this little ceramic and stainless steel teapot. Cute little box. You could also get a French press. The French press retails for $22. This teapot retails for $26. I've been looking for teapots. Like a couple years ago, I was really into tea, and I just couldn't find a good teapot. My mom did tell me you're not supposed to boil this. Yeah, I think this is more so for like steeping the tea, not actually boiling it, which is kind of, yeah, like you're not supposed to put it on the oven or anything like that. So it's kind of disappointing that I can't boil water in it, but I've been boiling water if I need to in a, like a regular little pot. And then what you do is you put your tea leaves in here, and then you pour the boiling water over. So again, $26 for this. And guys, look how adorable. How adorable is this? I thought it would be bigger. Makes sense, it's 26 bucks. And it has one of these little guys in here with a little strap handle kind of thing. So you put your loose leaf tea in here, or tea bags you can put directly in. And this will just like let it steep, and you can get probably like a good couple cups in there. Really beautiful. Look at this beautiful print. I was just really excited. It's so cute. It doesn't take up a lot of space. I'm gonna put it back in the box just so I can like make sure I read the box and make sure I understand what I'm doing and I don't mess it up. Super excited about that. Not excited about all these little wormy things in my box that my dog and my daughter will want to eat. Let me take out the rest of this stuff. There's 3 more things. This is a really great box, guys. I'm so excited. This is Grown Alchemist Polishing Facial Exfoliant Pink Grapefruit and Glucomannan Extract. Now, this was another, oh, select members only got this. Interesting. Oh, no. Everyone got one of these, but if you're a select member, which is basically you're paying for the full year subscription up front, you get to pick which of the 3 products. You could get this Polishing Facial Exfoliant. There was also from the same brand, Grown Alchemist, a Hydra Repair Day Cream or a Hydra Restore Cream Cleanser. I really would have been happy with any of them, so that's cool. Ooh, I love this kind of packaging where it's like aluminum-ish. Yeah, polishing facial exfoliant, pink grapefruit. I hate grapefruit juice. It's sealed and I need something to like puncture it. I'm excited about this. How do I use this? Let's see. There's a lot of writing on this. Directions. Apply to damp face, facial skin, neck, and delicate, guys, I can't say it. Décolleté, whatever. Massage in and rinse off with warm water. Idea for all skin types. Okay, so this is something you rinse off, so that's good to know. I'm gonna put this back in the box so I don't leave it on and wake up without a face. So that's good. The product I got retailed for $67. The day cream was $49, and the cream cleanser is also $49. I love when I get the most expensive thing, but only if it's something I want. These are some Bluetooth Cobra wireless earbuds. I got to pick the white ones, and there were white or black ones. These retail for $40. Or you could have picked a Catherine Malandrino umbrella, and there was a red floral or a black and white floral, and that's $40. Also $39.99. Excuse me. So I picked these. I really like that they're Bluetooth, because now with the new iPhones, I'm not sure about other like Androids or anything, but there's not even a phone, like an earbud jack, which is so aggravating. You have like one adapter. You can't charge your phone and listen to your earbuds at the same time. So when I'm at work, it's really annoying. I've purchased from Amazon twice the split device, and it works at first and then stops working. So I will have to keep you guys updated on these. Look how cute, 40 bucks. And I would not want to spend 40 bucks on these, even though I'm sure it's a good price. And then last but not least, you can get this Vince Camuto Lucky Tote in black or red desert. I got the red desert. It retails for $128. Or you can get a Crown Brush 6-piece makeup brush set in black or a rose gold. I mean, I know my mom got the makeup brush set in rose gold because she doesn't have like an actual set, but I really wanted this tote because I thought it might be perfect for work. Oh, it's so nice. It is. First of all, look, it like just rolls up. It smells nice. This is perfect. It will fit my laptop. It would fit my iPad. The only thing I don't like is it is just kind of like a satchel here, very thin, where I wouldn't want anything to like fall apart in here. Yikes. But, oh, it's vegan leather. That's good to know. And you just wipe it down with like a damp cloth. So that's cool. It says do not exceed 22 pounds. But yeah, I think that's like perfect. Isn't that really nice, guys? Again, it's like, what does it say? Red desert? Yeah, really, really nice. And the back is just that color. Oh, I love it. Yeah, I think I'm going to break this out for work tomorrow. Super excited. So as you can see, what did I say? All the items that everybody got was $75. My bag here was $128. I mean, that's like $200 alone. Not to mention the teapot, the facial exfoliant, and then the liquid lipstick duo that I got. So that's my box, guys. I was super excited. I just talked for 20 minutes about this amazing FabFitFun. If you get FabFitFun and got other products, or you're super excited, or you love it, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know what your favorite product was, or if you've had any issues. I will put a link in the description box to FabFitFun. If I have any kind of discount or something, I'll add that, or make sure that it's included. I'm honestly not sure if I do. But look, this is my life, guys. My God. Toys and babies and all this stuff. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay beautiful and stay blessed. Bye.